Hey everybody, this is Satyavani, and we are back for day 3 of Ayurvedic cooking as part of the 300-hour YTT partnership between ZenSpot and Essential Hot Yoga and the 500-hour program with ZenSpot, a deep dive into Ayurvedic health. We have learned so much over the past 3.5 days, and today is the last day of cooking, but we wanted to share what was up for brunch. So for Saturday brunchers, this is for you. All right, folks, what do we have going on here? All right, we've got Ms. Allie Roper. What are you cooking up, girl?
We've got some mushrooms that we're going to saute with some plant-based butter and pepper. Just stuff little morsels in the mouth.
Oh my God, that looks so fabulous. Look
Really
at your
good?
technique. Your technique is amazing. I am loving it.
Thank you.
Absolutely. All right, I'm going to move over here to Ms. Courtney. Ms. Courtney, what are you working on over here?
Nothing right now.
Nothing right now?
No, but we have sambar soup going.
Okay, tell me a little bit about the sambar soup.
It has a bunch of veggies in it, beans and carrots and zucchini, radishes, okra.
And yeah, Miss Courtney is going to demonstrate a taste.
Okay, let's demonstrate a taste, Ms. Courtney. Ooh, how's it looking? How's it tasting?
Wonderful.
See, she's enlightened already.
All right, Dr. Michael, why don't you tell me what's going on?
So anyway, so the sambar soup is finished now. We're waiting for that. The rice, which is here in a container, we've already made one batch of beautiful rice with a little curry in it, and we're going to add some nice chopped dates. We have our seaweed bacon that has been sliced, but has not been prepared
Seaweed bacon.
yet.
So tell me about the seaweed bacon.
Well, the seaweed bacon is just to die for, especially if you're a vegan or a vegetarian. And even if you're a crazy meat eater, this is you will never want to go back to eating bacon from a pig again.
You think so?
And you'll be so good to the planet and to the animals.
Excellent. Okay, so you said to die for, Allie? What was that? To die for.
I'm waiting for it. I've never had seaweed bacon.
And
This
then-
will be my first.
And then we have going here juice, which is going to be coming momentarily.
What
and
are the ingredients of the
ingredients?
juice?
Oh my gosh, we've got
What are they?
Where did all the ingredients
Oh, I got
We've
it.
got-
Cucumbers and zucchini, beets, carrots, apples, limes, cilantro is somewhere, and turmeric.
And yes, you may some
Is there turmeric?
We're going to add some turmeric to that juice.
All right, and what does the turmeric do for us?
Anti-inflammatory.
Excellent. Anti-inflammatory. I was quiz, I know what's going to be in there.
And then we have our Indian breads.
Oh my goodness, look at these Indian breads. We got a little
we're
chapati, we got a
purposely
little
flown in
naan.
for us. Wonderful.
Straight from India.
Straight from India.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. Look at that. She's got oil, she's got turmeric in her hand. Fabulous.
Ready to
I'm going
go.
to just go right over here to give everybody a glance of the sambar soup. Oh my goodness. You cannot tell me that does not look fabulous.
So good.
Oh my God. All right, you guys, let's give a wave. Everybody give a wave. You guys are the best. This is the Brunch Ayurvedic crew here, Underground Ayurveda. We are coming at you always. If you want to come on over and eat, send us a message. We got plenty of food. We love the peeps. We love you. We will see you soon. And we will post pictures of everything it is that has been cooked up so you can see the final result. If you have any questions, you know how to find us. We'll talk to you soon.
You could be in